Yeah. Today na 16 number 8 month 2026 when na Sunday. Na Pandiba na water the talk. Na my market this so for Baba one under Baba C LGA. Na my area this. Today we be na market. They ekelebe them, be them. They say they want show, say the day. They say they want show, say the day. If una see a market don't dry. But I want for tell them say me Ndiba na water I be don't done. No year, no day where they fit control my area. Now then that for down day so. Now they are checkpoint that. Yes, they don't run all. I don't take them from market, go keep them for their place. For tell them say they never burn them. Yes, we day and now we run the area. Now Baba want this. Now road for up country this. As we now can see. When I see picking them too, now know say picking them they are talar wounded. Any man we want try now. They go chop you raw. And even our water we did. Now we this so. Yes, now we this. Yes. She shake no day. Now route where we don't take them for free our people. Now route where they go. Now see. Even I looking for them, now see population where they deck house. They deck Muslim house for me. Yeah. When I see how where they deck them. But today in our market, yeah, the same as civilian, they no go rest. But I go tell them to say, man will compare Kana with the pa, he go get na hanya until rain fall before you know the person that get polished. And even na water the talk. Yes, yeah, no go control my place. My civilian then go they fine and they salute all the civilian them for Baba CLGA. Baba Papiakum in general. Na me in Diba na water at the talk. Yes. Yeah, then say they work find me. Me too I find them. Why I come they run? They say they get power, enter for market, why they run? I don't also enter for their checkpoint, they run now, run all. They go hide. Where they say they find me. Me they find them no. Nandiba na water the talk. I mean this. Nandiba na water the talk. They say they want control my area. They never born any year way if you control my area. I've run past that level. Yes. I've run past that level. All place now me occupy with my boys there. Nobody say na reinforce. Reinforce fee come now for them. They get free bullet, get free all kind of thing. But they no fit do anything. Their place no day. One make come in here them they understand say Ndiba na water own the place. No man no there, they never burn the dog. I salute people them for Amber land. Yes, we the Ambazonian freedom fighters will free our civilian population. She shake no day.